So guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make up to $1,000 for yourself. First of all, to get started you need to go to your Bybit. I'm on my Bybit right now. Go to your Bybit and you click on reward tool. If you're not seeing it, click on more. Once you click on more, it's gonna take you to this page right here. Now as you can see, reward tool, mine is already showing in my recommended, as you can see right there. Invite friends, reward tool. So you want to click on the reward tool and wait for it to load a bit. Once you get to this page, you have to scroll all the way down. You have to scroll all the way down and you're gonna see the Bybit Pay Welcome Airdrop. Mine is showing at the top because I've already done it, but if you're not seeing it, you scroll down. Remember, Bybit Pay Welcome Airdrop. Once you click on it, it's gonna take you to another page. Once you click on it, you'll see a loaded page that is going to be saying register now. Click on the register now. You see it has a countdown to when this is going to expire because it's not going to last forever. Once you click on register now, then it's going to take you to another page. You see what you have to do. You just have to send crypto any amount from $5 upward and you get 50% as a cashback. You get 50% actually as airdrop in USDT. Now even if you send $1,000 to someone, you can see the one I did for a student, $5, and they gave him 2.5, that is 50%. So even though you send $5,000, $1,000, $100, you are going to get 50% back. You're going to get 50% back, but it is not immediately. So for you to do this, you have to click on more. Go back to your Bybit homepage, click on more. Once you are here, you want to look for Bybit Pay. Okay? You want to look for Bybit Pay. Now you click on this right here, as you can see it's Bybit Pay, Bybit Pay. So you click on it. It's gonna show a loaded page, this right here. What you have to do here now is you send some USDT to somebody, not less than $5, from $5 upwards. Send from $5 upwards to your vendor, and then they're going to send it back to you. Once they send back to you, you have automatically completed this step. Now to receive, you see what I just did? You can receive using your Bybit UID. You can receive using your Bybit UID, your email address, or you just save this image and then send it to your vendor. So once you send some USDT through this place, through this send to your vendor, they tell them to send it back to you. And once they do this, you will have completed the airdrop for yourself. Now to send, you click on send and you can see you can either send using email, phone number, or the person's Bybit UID. Now if you don't have a vendor and you want me to help me do this for you, the comment sections, I'll be in the comment sections, just drop a message there and I'll help you do this. Now once you've done that, once you've done the sending, you want to go back to this page right here and you click on services and then rewards hub. Once you are here, you have to look for the Bybit Pay Welcome Airdrop. As you can see, you have to click on it. Once again, click on it. Once you do, it's going to be showing you something like this, pending. That would show you that you have done it. It's going to take about some days for you to receive the money, but know that you are receiving 50% of whatever you send. You first send through that method that I just explained to you. Alright guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and then don't forget to turn on your notification bell so when I drop a new update like this you'll be notified. Thank you.